Hi everyone, welcome to How to Nurihaus. This is your host Gina Kim, and as you can see today, we're gonna cook something. Yeah, this is a cooking vlog, and actually I am not that good at cooking, but if I can do that, then you can do that. So they are so easy, so I hope you can follow everything. So before cooking, I want to introduce about this brand, warmgreytail. So through this series, I'm gonna introduce some of our cute and amazing products from Nurihaus website, and also I'm gonna show you how you can use it in real life. So today we prepared these 5 different kinds of cups from Warmgreytail. Yes, Warmgreytail is a Korean designer's brand. It's about like living, home decor, or kitchen, and they're all inspired by the mother nature or like living creature. Yeah, and as you can see the illustrations, they look very simple, like but bold, but they are so cute, and you can feel that like coziness. Why is that? Because they're all hand drawn. Yes, right. So because of that traditional way, this is very, very, very unique. So by using these 5 different cups, I'm gonna make 5 different drinks. So hope you can follow that. Okay, let's do it. Are you ready? Let's do it. By the way guys, if you are watching this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button and please comment down below. Thank you so much. Okay, so the first drink that I'm gonna make is Sangria. Yeah, it's very easy. So let's make it, everyone. So first, you need lemon, rosemary. I'm gonna use kombucha berry because kombucha is very healthy. You know, it's really good for digestion. So I'm gonna use this one. Also, we're gonna use 5 different kinds of berries. Yes, right. So I'm gonna make it with this Warmgreytail Northland transparent cup. Let's make it. So first one, I'm gonna cut the lemon. Are you guys ready? I'm actually not that good at cutting lemon. Okay, just like... Ooh! I'm good at this. Like... Yeah, just some slice. Okay, I guess that's it. And then water, probably. I'm gonna pour water. Oh, it's so cute already, you know? And then I'm gonna put this kombucha berry. I'm gonna put it here. Whoa, guys, see this? And then here, I'm gonna put some berries. 5 different berries. Just like this. Wow. It's beautiful, right? And then I'm gonna put some slices of lemon. Yay! And then for this one, I wanna put it here, like this. Oh! Oh. Okay, and I need some ice. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some ice, but I prepared something very special. Oh guys, look at this. This is the ice, but inside I put some flowers, you know, edible flowers. So this is very pretty way. Oops. Oh, so cute, right? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Like, so beautiful. So beautiful, right? Like this. Oh! Ah! So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish it with rosemary. Rosemary. Okay, it's finished, everyone. It's this easy. This is very, very berry taste. You know what I mean? Berry, because there are so many berries inside, and it's very juicy also at the same time, and very fresh. I can feel. This one is very berry drink. Yes. And let's move on to our next drink. Okay, so the next drink that I'm gonna try is Mojito, of course, non-alcohol, and I'm gonna use this cup, yeah, Sheep Farm cup. And if you see here, illustrations are just so cute and so beautiful. Okay, then let's try this one. Okay, so for this one, you need lime, and I have some apple mint leaf. Also, if you have some, then lime juice. Yeah, lime juice, and also some sparkling water. Kombucha. This time I'm gonna use kombucha too. Okay, then let's do this. So let's cut our lime first. Do you like something sour? Because I love something sour so much. Ooh, be careful guys. Do not cut lime just like me. No, then you're gonna cut your fingers. So don't, yeah guys, don't cut it like me. Okay, nice. That's nice enough. I'm gonna use this sparkling water. Okay guys. Do not shake it, okay? Guys, okay, do not shake. It's okay, it happens, right? Okay guys, there was a little accident, but it happens all the time, so don't worry guys. Okay, it's just, I'm gonna pour a little bit of sparkling water. Yeah, just like this, maybe. Kombucha lemon. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. The magic happens. Ooh. Okay, the color should be yellow. Hey, yellow. I'm gonna put some lime here. Ooh. Ooh. We have some lime juice here, right? It's optional, but I wanna put a little bit of lime juice. So why am I shaking? My hands are shaking. Okay, okay. Yeah, it looks good. My eyes. Hello. Okay, you ready? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it with this apple mint leaf here. Okay, it's done! It's mojito, guys! I'm gonna try this one. This one is very lime, lemonade, lime. So LL, like love, sweet at the same time, just like love. So I'm gonna say this is love. Okay, so the next drink that I'm gonna make is called Misutgaru in Korean. So this is like a Korean traditional drink, and I love it so much, and it's very healthy, so I love it. And I'm gonna use this cup, corn. The link is in description. Yeah, so I'm gonna make it. So what do you need? First, you need some grain powder. Yeah, we call it Misutgaru, so you need this powder. And also you need honey. Yes. And milk, and I'm gonna add some snacks here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna use here this one tumbler, and then spoon. So I'm gonna put some this grain powder inside. Just as much as you want. By the way, this is from my mom. So the taste is amazing. And then I'm gonna put some honey inside. Yeah. And then what you have to do is just shaking it. Shake it. Shake it, everyone. Shake it. This one is also from Nurihaus. And, okay, it's done. The smell is amazing, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it here. Look at this beautiful color. And here, I'm gonna add this snack. The combination, this one is just amazing. You have to try. Seriously, guys. If you cannot find this snack, then I don't know. You can go to like Korean marts. Oh my goodness! Guys, oh my god. It's done! Oh my god! This is personally my favorite. I can feel the love of my mom because my mom made this powder, you know? So I'm gonna call it Mom. Okay, let's move on to the next drink. Okay guys, now we have only 2 drinks left. And for this one, this rolling bear thing is super cute, super... So how should I say? This is very small, by the way, if you compare the size, you can tell, right? And so this is the perfect cup for yogurt. And I eat yogurt every morning, so I'm gonna show you how I eat yogurt. This is my way, so I'll show you everyone. So this is just plain Greek yogurt. Oh. It looks like pudding. 진짜 됐다. Okay, so here is this plain Greek yogurt, and here I'm gonna add my favorite almonds because it's really good for your health and good for your brain. But I don't know if my brain is good, but yeah, I'm just eating it. So a lot, and then to add like sweet, like sweet taste. Dried cranberry. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Like, oh my goodness. Done, guys. It's done. This is the perfect morning meal or dessert. Okay, I know how it tastes because I eat this one like every day. So, It's very crunchy and soft and sweet at the same time. And the bear is looking at me. Yeah, if you cannot really take a then if you eat this one, then you're gonna be like, woo! So I'm gonna just make it like yogurt. This is amazing, right? I actually really eat this one like this. So cute, right? Okay, so this one is done, and let's move on to another drink. Okay guys, so the next one is, I actually wanted to make green tea latte, but because I don't have green tea, I decided to use organic barley sprout powder. And instead of milk, this time I'm gonna put some protein inside. So I'm gonna use almond breeze. Is that almond breeze? I know this is trending nowadays. Yeah, I had it only once in my life, but twice. Marco, I'm sorry. So you're gonna need these things, and then also I'm gonna use this green tea ice cream because I love it. So I'm gonna pour this almond milk. Ooh. Not sponsored, but wow. Guys, you have to see the color. It's beautiful. Like this. Putting some ice cream on it, but I don't know if it's gonna possible or not. It's my first try, everyone, so. Is this the right way? Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, anyways, the taste is gonna be amazing. You know what I mean? You know, everything is gonna be mixed anyway. So, yeah! Ah! Oh! Finally. Da-da. Da-da. Let's see, guys. Are you ready? Okay, camera, are you ready? Da-da. Ah, it's beautiful. A little bit of more green, more green. Yeah, guys, it's done. Green something latte. Yay! So it's done. Yay! And the last one, green. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. It should be good. Oh my god, everybody's gonna love it. I feel like I'm in Jeju. So I'm gonna call it alien. So, alien latte. What do you think about it? Okay, everyone. That was today's How to Nurihaus. How was it, everyone? Did you like it? So they are all different 5 drinks, and I used these so cute warmgreytail cups from Nurihaus. So if you're very interested in these items, then you can find everything, the link in down below, or you can go to Nurihaus and then they have like different items from Warmgreytail too. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Have a beautiful day.